Come back. What is she called? What is she? A green? Here she comes.
Watch this. I'm gonna whip into it. Ooh. Can we go visit Marcella? If you want. Okay, let's go. I don't have any shoes. Do you need shoes? I don't know. Am I? Where is she? She's up the street. I don't know.
Bye. Come back soon.